Hi, it's Aaron Workoff with Ricardo Amigo in Todos Santos, Pescadero, and Cerritos. Today I'm bringing you a new listing, Pacifico Storage. 62 units, really great income on this place already. Turnkey business, it can be yours. It also comes with a 2-bedroom casita with really beautiful modern interior and appliances. So you got to take a look at this as well as a place to live and work if you want to, or just rent it out or lease it out to your manager who's going to run this place for you, whatever you want to do. 2-car garage back here with really super high ceilings and also a mechanics pit, which is amazing. And another 2-bay garage with really high ceilings. You can fit a couple of giant trucks in there if you need to, or turn that into a wash station or anything you desire. Also behind that, there's a little mini huerta that's fenced in and 3 dog kennels. So this place offers you so much opportunity. And also there is a plan in place here if you want to expand and create 3 times the amount of net income on this place. You can put in more storage units in the center